Before we get started, please remember to click the like button. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe as well. Thank you so much.
So today we are cooking Jamaican style oxtails. They have already been washed and cleaned with lemon juice. So now we're going to brown some sugar in the skillet. I've got a little bit of oil in the pan already. This is about a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. It doesn't take long. Just keep browning it until it starts to look wet. That's the sugar crystals melting. Okay, this is the consistency we're looking for right here. Okay, that's perfect. So now it's time to brown your oxtails. With the remnants of brown sugar in the pan, we're going to brown the oxtails.
You want to sear the oxtail, making sure that it's golden brown with the crust. It's going to assure that you have nice, juicy, falling off the bones oxtail.
And let that cook a few minutes on each side. I've finished browning the oxtails and added them to the crock pot. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of water. One large tomato. This is about 5 cloves of chopped garlic. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Some Worcestershire sauce. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. A bay leaf, some thyme, just sprinkle it on top. Parsley. Now if you have fresh parsley, that's probably best. But I didn't have any, so. cayenne pepper for a little heat. And a little water. This is about 2 cups. Let's go ahead and stir this up. Get all the ingredients mixed up into the water. So there you have it. We're gonna let it cook for about 3 hours in the crock pot on low. And we'll come back when it's done. It has been 3 hours. So let's have a look. Nice and tender, falling off the bone. It smells amazing. Can't wait to try it, my friends.